My name's Grant Schwartz. I'm a graduate from 1994 from the welder fitter program at Conestoga College. Currently, I am running a business called Schwartz Inc. in Elmira, and I build custom hot rods and motorcycles. I started my own business at about 19 years old and promptly went to working for myself and have been working for myself ever since. It's a fun job to do. Most of my customers are pretty happy when they get here. It's a win-win situation. I'm excited to help them and they're happy to work on their baby. I've got this project behind me. I've probably been working on it for probably 7 years. It's my own project, so it never gets time. It's a rat rod, so the premise is you build on whatever parts are laying around, whatever scroungeable. It's been a fun one. One of these days I'm gonna get to finish it and maybe even drive it. Here at the shop, I do a wide variety of projects. I've kind of become the go-to guy or the problem solver for all these weird projects, which is cool because it's always exciting and challenging. I just kind of help these customers get the project started, get all the heavy work done, and then quite often they take it from there and finish it up. I like to say I update them, make them enjoyable and drivable. I've had a couple come through my shop that were very tasteful and got a lot of attention, so it's always nice to have that feather in your cap, people to recognize those things. As soon as I got to Conestoga College, I could tell right away the teachers were all tradespeople. They're hands-on, they knew what they were talking about, they've been in the field, which really helped me when they knew what they were talking about because they've done it before. And so I think I excelled at school because of that. I'm actually still in touch with several of the teachers to this day. We got to use all the equipment and learn all the processes, and it was a big help. During my apprenticeship at Conestoga College, I think we had to get about 8,000 hours of time in to qualify. And then during my apprenticeship, I actually started my own business for the last year and a half of my apprenticeship. I was lucky enough to get a spot on a show called Vegas Rat Rods through Discovery Channel. The show at the time was Canadian and they needed some Canadian content. And my buddy says, "You should put your name in." I said, "Oh, that'll never happen." Well, they called. To this day, I can't believe it. They called. It was pretty challenging down there. It's something totally different that I've ever done in my life, but it's an experience I would never give up. While at trade school at Conestoga College, we got lots of projects to do. They challenged us to use the skills we're gonna need when we get out in the field. So they were very relatable. And I still remember the stuff they taught us to this day and use it all the time, whether it be math or welding processes, very much geared to real world. Just last year, my daughter graduated from Conestoga College as well. It was pretty fun to go see her graduation ceremony. College is a way to go now. It seems to get people directly into the workforce and it seems to prepare them better. I was lucky enough I got to speak at Conestoga College's recent convocation. It was a very proud moment for me to be able to speak in front of people. I was in the same classes as they were and they seemed to relate to that. And it just felt really good. I haven't looked back. It's been great. I love what I do and I was fortunate enough to create a good name for myself and always have work to do.